Hi everyone, I am Claran M. Katangian, and I'm going to discuss the Chapter 5 Consumers Behavior. Let us discuss our activity. So, this is our activity. Q for quantity, TUYB for total utility for Yum Burger, MUYB for marginal utility for Yum Burger, TUHH or total utility for Halo Halo, and MUHH for marginal utility for Halo Halo, and MUYB all over PYB is equal to marginal utility for Yum Burger divided by its unit price. Last is MUHH all over PHH or marginal utility for Halo Halo divided by its unit price. Here are given. So Q, we have quantity for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then PUYB is not already complete, and MUYB is given, or the marginal utility for hamburger. And next, so only marginal utility for hamburger and marginal utility for Halo Halo is given. So we are going to complete all the utility schedule. So let's start. Suppose you are given a budget of 60 pesos to be spent for personal consumption in Yum Burger or YB and Halo Halo HH. The price per unit of YB is 8 pesos. So yung burger is the price per unit is 8 pesos, while 4 pesos for Halo Halo. Further, an incomplete consumption and utility schedule is given to help you out make decision. So our task is to complete the consumption and utility schedule. Number 2, draw a budget line. Number 3, determine the consumer equilibrium. Example, MEYB all over PYB is equal to MUHH HH all over PHH. Number 4, what does the consumer equilibrium in question number 3 tells you? Number 5, using the identified consumer equilibrium in question number 3 and to better off, how many units of Yum Burger and Halo Halo would you consume given in the limited budget? So our task is 1 to 5. So let us start in completing the consumption and utility schedule. So in this activity, we are going to use Excel. So kinopy lang natin yung given dito sa Excel. So to get the total utility. So what is total utility or TYB? Total utility can be calculated as the current total utility subtracted by a previous total utility. So here there is no given in total utility. We are going to compute this one. So instead of total a previous utility and current utility, we are going to use the marginal utility of for Yum Burger. So our current marginal utility of for Yum Burger is 160, and since wala naman tayong previous total utility, just copy 160. Then so for the quantity 2, ilalagay na natin yung formula na TU is equal, or total utility is equal to current utility, marginal utility plus Next, current, next, plus previous marginal utility. So, iyan yung formula natin for total utility. So, i-apply natin sa utility number, sa quantity 2, which is 160, the current is 144 plus 160 for the previous marginal utility is equal to 3/4. So, same process, kaya double click na lang tayo. Next. So, dito naman tayo sa, kukumpitin naman natin yung total utility of halo-halo. So, same process. Since wala naman tayong previous marginal utility, so just copy 80. Next, same formula. So, same formula dito sa TU. So, is equal to TU, or total utility, is equal to current marginal utility plus previous marginal utility is equal to 156. So, parehas lang din ng formula. Yan. So, dito naman tayo. MUYD divided by price of Yum Burger. So, dito, ano ba yung sinabi dun sa given natin? Yung price natin, or yung price ng Yum Burger is 8 pesos. So, while sa halo-halo is 4 pesos. So, alam natin na kapag price of Yum Burger is equal to 8 pesos, right? While price for halo-halo, HH, for halo-halo. So, for HH is 4 pesos. So, 4 pesos. So, nandito na yung given. Computein lang din ulit natin. So, yung formula is nandito na. So, marginal utility of Yum Burger, 160 divided by the value or the price for Yum Burger, which is 8 pesos. So, we just put 8 divided by 8 is equal to 20. So, ganoon din ulit sa ibang sa quantity 2. So, 144 divided by 8, kasi yun yung price for Yum Burger, is equal to 18. So, 144 times 18 divided by 18. So, same process, just double click. Yan. While yung sa halo-halo naman is equal to same process, 80, pero yung value or the price of halo-halo per unit is 4 pesos. So we just put it 4 pesos. So enter. Same process as quantity 2. 76 divided by 4 is equal to 19. And then it down. So, ayan na. So, ika-copy lang natin siya dito sa given. Requirement 1, which is complete the consumption and utility schedule. Now, we are going to draw a budget line. So, how we can draw a budget line? So, ito, insert, chart. So, scatter pa rin. Yan. But may line na siya. And, okay. So, yung ilalagay ditong given is ito. Kung ano yung na-compute natin dito. Okay? Let's Control V. So, so bakit yan? Bakit 15 and 7.5? So, ganito ang pag-compute. So YB is equal to income divided by YB. So, how we draw a budget line? So, syempre, sa area na to, so, to determine, kailangan natin alamin kung magkano yung income. So, dito yung stated na income natin is 60 pesos, right? So, 60 pesos yung income while the price of YB is 8 and while the halo-halo is 4 pesos. So, x-axis and y-axis. So, yung y natin is 7 point halo-halo is 15 units. So, ito yung y natin and x natin is the Yum Burger. So, paano ba natin nagagawa to or paano tayo gagawa ng budget line? So, 60 the income divided by 8 is equal to 7.5 units. So, sa budget natin na 60, pwede tayong makabili ng 7 piraso or 7.5 units ng Yum Burger. Pero kung sakaling, kunwari, halo-halo naman yung trip mo, gusto mong paglagay lahat ng budget mo sa halo-halo, 60 divided by 4, which is the price of halo-halo per unit, is equal to 15 units. So, kung yung buong budget mo na 60 pesos is ibibigay mo or ibibili mo ng halo-halo, you can buy or purchase 15 units, same as Yum Burger, which is 7.5 per unit if all of his budget will use to purchase Yum Burger. So, eto, ano bang purpose ng ano na to? Graph na to. So, dito yung 15 and dito yung 7.5, which is the Yum Burger and the halo-halo. Etong line na to, yan yung nagse-separate sa afford ng consumer and yung hindi afford ng consumer. So, kapag lumagpas sa 7.5 units yung binili ni consumer, hindi na siya pasok sa budget. So, dito lang tayo sa affordable region, which is 15 units of halo-halo and 7.5 units of Yum Burger. Hanggang dun lang yung kaya ng 60 pesos na budget. So, dito ang unaffordable units or unaffordable, hindi na siya kaya ng budget natin. So, dito lang tayo sa affordable region, which is kailangan lang nating mabili. It's neither 7.5 units ng Yum Burger or 7.5 of Yum Burger or 15 units of halo-halo. So, basta nandyan lang. Nandyan lang sa region na yan yung kailangang makapasok sa 60 pesos. That is the purpose of that budget line. Next is, so we already complete the budget line or draw the budget line. Next is determine the consumer equilibrium. So example given is MUYB is all over to price of Yum Burger is equal to marginal utility of halo-halo over the price of halo-halo. So ito na. So bakit ba naka-highlight yan? 'Di ba? As we can see dito, 'di ba madaming pa pagkakaparehas. So tulad nito ni quantity 1, si 20. So si quantity 1, same sila ng satisfaction, which satisfaction ni Yum Burger to halo-halo. So ito lang parang ito lang papakita na sa first quantity ng halo-halo, sa first quantity ng Yum Burger, may satisfaction siyang 20. While in the second, makakaroon lang siya ng satisfaction ng 18 or 19. So, 18, sa 18 and 19. Ganyan. So, yan yung highlight. So, the consumer equilibrium is found by comparing the marginal utility per peso, which is peso naman yung money natin, the ratio of marginal utility to the price of food or of a good. For Yum Burger and Halo Halo, subjected to the constraint that the consumer does not exceed her budget of 60 pesos. So, kailangan hindi na hindi mag-exceed ng 60 pesos yung gastos ni consumer. Next is that, so yan na. Take note to this graph. So we will use this to requirement number 4, which is what does the consumer equilibrium in question 3 tell you? So yun na yung sinasabi ko na marginal utility per peso spent on the first quantity of Yum Burger is the same as the marginal utility per peso spent on the first quantity of Halo Halo. So, same satisfaction. Kasi parehas lang ng marginal utility. What is marginal utility ba? So, marginal utility is it is the added satisfaction for our customers gets from having more unit of good service. So, eto nga, tumutukoy dito is yung satisfaction or ano ba yung magiget ng consumer na satisfaction if nag-add ba siya ng isang item, ganun. So, having more unit and good of services. So, yun. And, so, therefore, as a consumer, you will buy the same or same unit. One burger, so one Yum Burger, and one Halo Halo. Which is your money, you have 60 pesos, your budget is 60 pesos. Less 8 pesos, Yum Burger, less 4 pesos of Halo Halo, you are 48 remaining in your pocket. Your next step is to compare the marginal utility per peso spent on the second unit of Yum Burger and Halo Halo. So, so dito naman, i-compare natin, saan ka ba mas masasatisfied? Sa 18 na satisfaction or 19? So, what is more greater? 18 or 19? So doon tayo sa 19. The higher the satisfaction or the higher the value, the higher you're satisfied. So in quantity 2, we're going to choose or we're going to purchase the Halo Halo. So take note that as long as it doesn't exceed your budget, you can still purchase for long you want. So for the second quantity of margin utility per peso spent on a Yum Burger and Halo Halo, we can see that the Halo Halo 19 is a higher than Yum Burger, which is 18 of marginal utility. Then Halo Halo must give us more satisfaction. So we're going to purchase another Halo Halo. You have 48 pesos. Yun yung natira natin na pera. Nung bumili tayo nung unang yung quantity of one quantity. Ngayon sa second quantity, mamaminusan tayo ng 4 because we are going to buy Halo Halo, which is equal to 44 remaining in your budget. So, may 44 pa tayo. So, di ba note doon na we can buy anything. We can buy as long as hindi siya mag-exceed sa budget natin. So, kaya natin kino-compute. So, bumili na tayo ng Halo Halo burger. So, dalawa na yung Halo Halo natin, isa na ang burger. So, next na tayo is, again, because they have the same amount, you still have a budget to purchase. So, quantity 3. Diba? 16 and 18. You will choose. So, compare sa 3 and 4. Compare natin yung sa quantity 3 sa Yum Burger and Halo Halo. So, the higher the marginal utility or the higher the satisfaction that we will get. So, another Halo Halo again. For Halo Halo. So, yung 40 So, yung 44 natin, less 8 and less 4, magiging 32 remaining in your budget. For 6 purchase, you may choose to buy another Yum Burger of Halo Halo is 17 because Halo is higher, it gives more satisfaction. So again, you know naman that we should compare the higher the value or higher the marginal utility, the more or the higher the satisfaction. So yun lang yung content nun, that is that they have the same amount, you will still have to budget to purchase two. You're going to buy it. And now you have 12 pesos less 8 less 4 is equal to 0. So you need to stop the purchasing because you don't have enough budget to buy another one. So, okay, total lang natin. Dalawa, sa first, we buy isang burger and isang halo-halo. Next, naging 48 yung pera natin. Next naman, bumili tayo ng halo-halo. Next, bumili tayo ng halo-halo and ng burger and halo-halo. So, tag 1.2 naman sila. And last is so mayroon tayong 32. Less na naman tayo ng halo-halo. And dito na naman, so you have so 28, nag 28 pesos. I-add natin ulit. And dito naman, naghalo-halo ka for the second time. Ay, for the last, halo-halo ulit. For the next. So, in the last, 8 and 4. So, isang Yum Burger. So, isang Yum Burger and isang halo-halo. So, na-total mo ba? Kung ilan yung nakuha natin? Or ilan ba yung binili natin? For is equal, para mag-equal 0. So, here, only 4 units. So, 4 na burger lang yung bibilihin natin and 7 units of halo-halo para masatisfy tayo and mag-eksakto or umeksakto sa value or sa budget natin. So ito, only 4 units of Yum Burger and 7 units of halo-halo will be able to consume in the given budget, which is 60, wherein the price of Yum Burger is 8 pesos multiplied by 4 units, so 4 equal to 32, while halo-halo is 4 per unit multiplied by 7 units, 7 units equal to 28 pesos though. So, 32 cost of Yum Burger plus 28 total cost of halo-halo is equal to 60. Exact value as value of limit out of our limited budget. So, that would be all. So, I hope you understand and you gain something about what I've discussed. Thank you.